Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I am going to explain one most important interview question which is related to the array concept only. So guys, that question is how we are going to sort array element in ascending order with custom logic, because that is the main thing here. So how we are going to sort the array element with custom logic, because most of the time interview wants to know your logic, right? What's your logic you are going to implement for finding the what sort the element in ascending order, right guys? So guys, I will explain end to end with debug mode as well. So guys, without any further delay, we'll start guys this question. Okay, so guys, for this first we need to create one class, right? And guys, we need to keep the name of the class, right? Sort array element ascending. Okay, sort array element ascending order guys. Okay, so guys, we should have one main method, right? So I have created main method, right? So guys, we can see here, so already we have one class along with our main method, right? Okay. So guys, see, so in this main method I will create, right, the our custom logic, and we'll take also input from the user. Then we'll see how this input is going to sort in a ascending order. Right guys? So guys, for this purpose I will take first input array, right? So guys, see, int arr equal to new int size of the array is guys, suppose 5. This time guys, I am taking what fixed size of the array. Okay guys, see, this is very simple. I have created one integer array, right guys? See, then after that I will take input from the end user, right? So that's why guys, we'll take one scanner class, right? A scanner sc equals to again. Yes, then guys, I will import our util package where our scanner class is available, right? Yes guys, after guys, we can print one statement. That statement will tell to the end user what enter the what enter elements in array, right? Okay, this thing I have written as a statement, right? Yes. After guys, what we should do? So guys, see, so if you are going to sort the element of array in ascending order guys, so you should know first the logic, right? What should be the logic guys? Guys, see, understanding purpose, I'm explaining here some line. Guys, see, suppose if you have, let's, if you have array guys, right? Suppose if you have array as size 5, guys, see, if you have element guys 14, 10, 20, suppose this is the this is suppose your 5 elements in your array, right? So guys, see how you're going to sort, with your custom logic, right? That is the main thing you need to understand, guys. See, so guys, you should have two for loop, right? first for loop guys, for this element C, suppose if you are going to compare guys 14 with 10, 14 with 20, 14 with 30, 14 with 60. If this 14, see guys, in first compare, if you are going to compare in first for loop, right, first iteration, 14 is greater than 10. Yes guys, right? Yes or no? 14 is greater than 10, right? So guys, if this is greater than 10, then guys, this will be swap, right? So 10 will come under the index 0 and 14 will go to the index 1, right guys? So that logic we should write, right? That logic we should write. So how this logic will write guys, how the loop will be iterate, how the loop will be execute, that thing guys, I am going to write the code for that, right? So guys, please be concentrated. Okay, so let's see. First I will take the input, that's why I am going to take a first for loop. So for int I equal to 0, guys, this for loop I am going to take for taking the input from the end user. Okay, this logic as of now I am not writing. When I will write logic, I will explain you. Okay, first concentrate how I am going to take the request from the end user, from the user guys. So int I equal to 0, yes or no? Then guys, I listen from our size. So already I have defined the size of the array is 5 byte. In this guy, already I have created a scanner object, right? So with the help of a scanner object sc dot next int we have, right? So we call this method and we'll take the request from end user, and this request we can hold in our what, array variable, right? Right. I have done. So in this array of I am going to store all the input value by the end user. Right guys? I hope this thing you know very well. You should not have any confusion. Right guys, see, please be concentrated. Now I am going to add the logic. So how I am going to check, how I am going to what, compare with 14 to each and every element what we have in the array, guys. So guys, for this purpose guys, I should take nested for loop guys. Might be you remember or you know this thing guys. What is nested for loop? Means loop inside loop guys. What guys? If guys, please concentrate, please keep in mind, if anyone will tell to you write the logic or sort the element in array in ascending order, definitely guys, you should need to write what, nested for loop, because you are going to compare one element to other element. Yes or no guys? So if you are going to compare one element, means one data from other data, definitely you should have nested for loop. So guys, what is nested for loop? So guys, the loop inside the loop, the what, loop inside the loop, that is called nested for loop. For loop inside the for loop guys, that is called nested for loop. So guys, this thing I am going to explain here guys. So guys, please be concentrated. Okay, please be concentrated guys here. So guys, I am taking here one for loop, right? So in this for loop guys, first I will write, so our starting of element index guys 0, right? So int I equal to guys 0. Okay, this for loop start with 0 guys. Okay, this is the loop which will start from 0 guys, right? Then guys, our I will be less than 5. Whatever the size we have defined, that will be guys less than from that size, right guys? Yes. Then guys, what we can do, we can increment one by one, right? Increment one by one, right guys? Okay, this is the for loop, right? In this for loop, what I mentioned guys, so I am going to start our loop from 0 and our whatever our size from less than that size, then we are going to increment one by one. Correct guy? Yes. Then guy, I will take one more for loop that is already I have explained, that is nested for loop, right? So loop inside the loop guy. So guy, this for loop I am going to compare with other element guy. So guy, that's why int j equal to guy, in j equal to whatever we have value of I will add plus 1 guy. Okay, I will tell you guy why. Then I less than 5, right? Then guy, I plus plus. Guys, see here what I want to tell you, what I want to explain you. See guys, this is the loop, this is the for loop, auto for loop, where I started from 0 index. Guys, see, so this is the guy, 14 is available on 0 index, 10 is available in the 1 index, then 20 second index, 30 third index, 60 the fourth index, right? So guys, see, this loop will be execute from this one, from 14, because our index of 0 is 14. The value of index 0 is 14 guy. So guys, this loop will run from this 14 guy. But guy, nested for loop, whatever loop inside this for loop guy, it will start from execution from this guy. Why guy? Already I mentioned guy. So whatever the j value is I plus 1, I value is 0 plus 1 guy, then guy, it will be 1. Okay, so I am going to check, so 14 is greater than 10 or not, 14 is greater than 20 or not, 14 is greater than 30 or not, 14 is greater than 60 or not. So guy, for this purpose guy, in this inside the nested for loop, I am going to add some condition guy. This is the main condition what you need to concentrate. Okay, see guys, what I am going to add, please be concentrated. So I am going to add one condition guy. So what condition guy? So guys, see, if our a of I means guy what? A of 0 index, whatever the value of 0 index a of I, that is guy greater than what? Greater than a of j or not. Guy, please be concerned. Very simple guy. If you understand this thing, then it becomes very easy. Otherwise, it becomes very tough. Okay, might be because most of the candidates didn't know this swapping concept. Today, guy, I will explain very layman term. Okay, definitely, guy. I hope you will get this concept, guy. So in today onwards, you should not have any confusion with this logic, guy. So what I have told, guy. So a of I, guy. A of my I means guy, a of 0 index. 0 index, what is the value guy? 14. So I am going to check here. So whatever 0 index, the element is there, it is greater than a of j. So a of j is guy what? J plus 1, you can see here, means 10, right? Definitely guy, 14 is greater than 10. If guy 14 is greater than 10, then guy, we are going to implement what? Some swapping logic guy. We are going to add some swapping logic. What guy? This place I am going to add mistake guy. So our this is guy ARR, not AR guy. ARR, right? Then guy, this thing also ARR, because guy, you can see I have defined our integer of this ARR, right? So what I have told guy, our AR of I is greater than AR of j. Then guy, we can write some logic here guy, swapping logic guy. So what is swapping logic guy? So guys, see, if this condition will satisfy, guy, then guy, whatever the value of what AI, I can store into temp variable guy. I can store into temp variable guy. Please be concentrated. Temp equal to guy ARR of I. Correct guy? So I am going to store in our temp variable. So guy, this thing I need to initialize here because we didn't create any local variable guy. So int temp equals to guy, initially what? Also in temp username only, it's sufficient guy. Okay, in temp, right guy? Yes guys, see, so what I have done guy, if AR of I, this condition satisfied, suppose, then guy, I have hold ARRI value, okay, in our temp variable, right guy? Then guy, next swapping logic guy, what? So A of I guy, whatever the value of ARRI, right? I'm going to hold whatever the ARRJ get, whatever the ARR of J, what are the ARR of J, I am going to hold this value into ARRI get. Okay? Guys, please concentrate. Don't worry. I will explain with debug mode, guys. Then you come to know, or I will with run dry run, guys. So see. So what I have done? So I have whole ARR of I into temp. Then guys, whatever the value of ARR of J, this thing I hold it into the array of I get. Right? Then guys, I can do one thing also. Then guys, temp value, right? What we have the temp value, so I can store into guys AR of J, guys, AR of J, AR of guys J. Give me this thing, right? Guys, this is swapping logic. I will tell you why. Okay, once I will run the dry run, then I will show you. So just keep in mind. So if this condition is satisfied, first I can store whatever the value of ARI. ARI means guys, whatever the zero index value is there, right? That value I am going to store into temp, right? Then guys, whatever the value of AR of J, that thing I am going to store into AR of I value, guys. AR means this index, guys. Then lastly guys, whatever the value of temp, this time we are going to what, swap into AR of J, guys. That thing guys you need to understand, right? Okay guys. After guys, what I am going to do, I am going to print guys. If you can see guys, this if is closing here, this for loop is closing guys, this if is closing here, this for is closing here, this for is closing here. So after guys this place, right, we can print our result guys. We can print our result. So you know very well guys how we are going to print. So guys, we can take one more for loop guys. So for, right, and copy guys same thing, because our array size is fixed as a 5 guys, right? So guys, we can take this thing. Then guys, I will take print statement inside, right? So sys out guys, sys out, and guys I am going to print what, ARR of our index value, right? Then guys I can give some, okay? This is our logic behind that, how we're going to sort the array element in ascending order, guys. Right guys? So guys, now I will run the application in front of you and see the result. If the result is coming as expected, then I will show debug mode as well, guys. Guys, see. Enter elements in the array, guys. Suppose if I am going to enter guys 5 elements, right? So your first element is guys, suppose what I mentioned here, what, 14, guys, then 10, then guys what, 20, then guys 30, then guys 60, right? I have done this value, right? Yes or no guys? And then get one value is okay. You can see here, if I enter guy here 5, then 14, then 10, then 20, then 30, right guy? Then guy, what is coming guy? 5, then 30, 10, 40, 20, right? This is not a guy correct result, correct? What guy, 1 minute, let me see. If the number in the element is array 5, 14, 10, 20, 30. Okay, 1 minute, let me rerun once again. So 14, then 10, then what, 20, then 30, then 40. Our response coming है 10, 40, 14, 20, 30. It's not again ascending order, correct? It's not an ascending order, correct? So we have done some mistake, right? We have done some mistake, correct? So what again? We have mistake. So of we are checking here, right? So we can check a starting value again in I equal to 0, right? Then I less than 5, I plus plus, right? Then get for inner loop for in j equal to I plus 1. If I less than 5, then I plus. Okay guys, see what we are doing mistake here. See this thing guy, we are going to increment the value, right? For j we are not increment the I value, correct guy? So guys, please be careful guys whenever we are going to write the code. So please be careful. So guys, see now I am going to run the application. We'll see the result guys. Guys, if you enter here 14, then 10, then what, 20, then guys what, 30, then 60, correct? We have enter 5 number, correct? Then we can enter guys. Okay, so what it is asking guys? Okay, we have entered. It's correct only guys, right? We have given only 5 elements, right? So what's giving guys? Inner length 5. Okay, no problem. If you can give here 6. Okay. No, why it will give it 5 is also okay, right? Because these 3 5 element only we are going to enter, right? So I less than 5. Okay. See guys, what I am going to mistake. Okay, this value will be j less than 5, correct? Sometimes guys happen. So guys, please be concentrated. Now guys, if I'm going to enter here 14, then what, 10, then what, 20, then 30, then 60. Guys, see now you can able to see guys response coming at 10, 14, 20, 30, 60 or not. Guys, this result coming as expected or not guys? This result coming as expected or not guys? So you can write here one statement guys. What? Sys out after sorting array, after sorting the array as ascending order, result is guys what we can see guys, right? So guys, we can run the application, we can see result one more time guys. Suppose, so guys, see as of now you give any number guys, say 5 number, right? So guys, see if I'm going to give here 24, then guys, if I'm going to give suppose 12, then 45, 78, then 7 guys. See, then I going to able to see guys. So guys, after, right, I mistake here, right? One more time guys. 34, 45, 23, 9 and 56. Right guys? Enter guys. So after sorting the array ascending order, result is guys, you can see 9, 23, 34, 54, 56. Guys, this result is coming as expected or not guys? This result is coming as expected or not guys? Obviously guys, the result is coming as expected, what I have mentioned you. So how we are going to sort the array element in a ascending order, guys. So guys, I will explain this thing, guys, with dry run, guys. Please be concentrated, guys. I will run this code with dry run. Okay. So guys, this code is important, guys. Okay. This code is important. I will copy this. Just come here in Notepad, guys. Okay. Guys, please be concentrated. Okay. Guys, see. So guys, this thing is dry run, guys. Dry run. Okay. I am going to paste, guys, this thing, right? So guys, see, I will show you how this logic is going to execute internally, guys. How this logic is going to implement internally. What I have told, guys, suppose if you have int ARR, suppose the size is, guys, 5, right? Right? Yes or no? And suppose if your element has, guys, suppose what? 14, then 10, right? Then what? 30, then what? 50, then 60. Suppose this is your number, guys. Right? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Guys, see. Just, guys, please keep in mind here. What I am going to explain, please be concentrated. So guys, see. Guys, see. This is the our. Okay, this is our array, right? So guys, in this array, guys, we have the element, right? So guys, first is the 14, guys. Then in second, guys, we have, guys, in second, guys, what do we have, guys? In second, guys, we have 10, guys, right? Then, guys, third value is, guys, what? 30, correct? 30, guys. Then fourth value is 50, correct? Fourth value is 50. And guys, this value is, guys, 60. Yes or no? Correct, guys? Yes. So guys, see, this is the, guys, index. Yes or no? This is the 0 index. This is the first index. That is the second index. That is the, guys, third index. That is the, guys, fourth index. Correct, guys? I hope you got it. Right? As per our, guys, in this relational array. As per this array, guys. So 14th is on 0 index. This is 1 index, second index, third index, and fourth index, guys. Right? Guys, see. Please be careful, guys. So guys, see, first our loop will start, guys, from this place, right? Our loop will start from this place, right? Okay, our loop will start from this place, guys. See, first, guys, see, I will be 0, guys, right? So guys, this value, right, we are going to start a for education, right? So I is 0, guys. So 0 is less than 5. Yes or no? Yes. Then I plus plus, guys. This for loop will be what? Condition is what? Passed. Then we will get inside. We will come into this nested for loop, right? This is the, guys, auto for loop. This is the inside the for loop, guys. We can see. Then, guys, what is the j value, guys? So j value means, guys, we are going to execute 2 for loop. So this 14 is going to compare with 10 value, guys. So you can see, guys, j means what? I plus 1. So you know very well, guys, I is the, guy, 0. I is the, guy, 0. Okay? So in the first iteration, guys, you can see here what? I equal to, guys, I equal to 0. Okay, guys? I equal to 0. Guys, if I equal 0, guys, in first step, then, guys, you can see here j equal to, guys, what? J equal to, guys, 1. Why, guys? Because 0 plus 1, that is, guys, 1 only, right? So, guys, so 0 plus 1, 1. So, guys, tell me 1 is less than 5. Yes or no? Yes, guys. So j plus plus. If j equal to, guys, 1, If j equal to 1, then guy, what we are going to get inside this for loop guy, I am going to check one condition guy. I am going to check one condition. What? ARR of I guy. ARR of I guy. Tell me what is the ARR of I guy? Means this is the guy ARR of I, that is 0 index. Correct? So on 0 index guy, tell me what is the value guy? 14. Yes or no? So guys, 14 is greater than ARR of j. So guys, tell me what is ARR of j guy? This value guy. This value means what? First position. First position what value है? 10. So guys, tell me. So this 14 is greater than 10. Yes or no? Guys, condition satisfied. Yes. Guys, condition satisfied. Condition satisfied. If guys condition satisfied, right? If condition satisfied, guys, then we can come inside this if. Yes or no? If condition satisfied, we'll come inside this if condition. Get it? Okay, guys. Guys, please consider it now. So guys, see. Tell me what is the AR of I guys as of now? 14. Yes or no? Guys. So guys, this 14 I am going to store into temp guy. I mentioned it temp equal to AR of guy. So under temp guy, I am going to store 14. Right guy? Yes. Guy, tell me if temp equal to 14 guy, then tell me what is the AR of I equal to AR of j. So guy, tell me what is the AR of j guy? 10. Yes or no? And what is AR of j guy? What is the value of j? That is the one index guy, that is 10. So guys, this value I am going to store into AR of I guy. So guys, this place, right? So AR of I 0 index guy. So I am going to store guy what? AR of guy. 1 minute guy. So guys, this is the place. Okay, no problem. So guys, this is the place guy. AR of what? I guy 0 index, right? So 0 index guy, what we will have the value guy, that is guy 10. Yes or no? Because AR of j, what is the value of AR of j guy? That is 10. I am going to hold into the AR of I guy. Correct? Yes. Guy, then see. Now this case guy. So guy, tell me what is temp value guy? Temp value is 14. Yes or no? So guy, 14 I am going to say into the AR of 1 guy. Yes or no? Because j is the guy 1 index. Correct? So guy, ARR of j, that is guy 1. So guy, in this place I am going to store guy what value guy? 14. Yes or no? Because 14 is already there in our temp value. Guy, so tell me what the value as of now we got. What the value guy we got guy. So guys, see now this value guy is what? This value guy we cross, or 1 minute guy, I am going to see this one. Okay, this value I am going to separate. So guy, this place now value is coming guy what? What value guy came guy? Value came 10. Yes or no? And guy, this place guy, what value came guy? 14. Yes or no? Earlier it was 10. Now it came guy 14. Correct guy? I hope guy you understood. Correct? So guy, this time value is swapped as our this iteration guy. Yes or no? So guy, next step guy. Now next step. This step is complete guy. So guys, see this next step guy, what it will do? It will this value guy, whatever value is 14 available in our 0 index, right? So it will check our with other value guy. Yes or no guy? It will check with other value. Right? So guy, I value will be only 0 only. Right? But this value guy will increment because guy, I am going to check this 14 to each element guy with 10, then 30, then 50, then 60. Yes or no guy? I am going to change. Yes or no? So first this 10 already, this 14 already I have what compared with the 10. Right? So we got this result guy. Then guy, again I will be 0 only guy. But this time guy, what? It will what? The value will be guy. This will increment 1, right? So 1 already there guy. So now 1 plus 1, what is guys? Tell me. This time our j value will get j equal to 2 guys. Yes or no? 1 plus 1. Guys, this time you can say. So our ARR of I, guys, 0 index, what is guys? 10 is there, right? So ARR of I means guys 10 is there, right? So guys, 10 is greater than ARR of 2 guys. So tell me 30. Yes or no guys? Guys, please concentrate here. Please be concentrated. So guys, tell me here. So 10, because we are going to check ARR of I guys. So this value index 0. What is the value of now guys? 10. So guys, this 10 is greater than 30 because our j value is now 2 guys. Yes or no? Because earlier it was 1. Then again we have increment 1 guy in next iteration. So guys, j value is 2. So guys, this 2 index value is 30. So 10 is greater than 30. Guys, tell me. Condition not satisfied. Yes. Condition not satisfied. Condition not satisfied. Guys, see, if condition not satisfied, guys, then it will come back of the loop, guys. Yes or no? Guys, then next condition, guys. Then next condition. Right, guys? Next condition, guys, means what? Our j will be guys 3. Yes or no? J equal to 3. Okay, guys, see. Then we can check guys. AR of 0, 10 greater than 50. 10 is greater than 50, guys. Tell me. 10 is greater than 50. Condition not satisfied. If condition not satisfied, guys, then directly it will back for the loop, guys. Back from the loop, guys. Then again check, guys, j equal to 4, because it will increment 1 by 1, guys. J equal to 4, guys. So guys, j equal to 4 means 60. So guys, tell me again. So guys, 10 is greater than 60. Condition what? Not satisfied. Not satisfied. Okay, again it will come from the loop, guys. So I see this is the way, guys, it will executing 1 by 1. Guys, this is the first loop. Then guys, second. In second iteration, guys, now I will be guys 0 to 1, guys. This time I will be what? I equal to guys 1. I equal to 1, guys. Then it will check. So what? AR of I means this variable. This value what? 14. 14 is greater than AR of j. AR of j, guys. So this time, guys, is start 1. What? 1 I plus 1, guys. So what? J value, guys. So guys, this value, right? I plus 1. So already 1 plus 1 2. It will check, guys. So 14 is greater than 30. No, guys. Condition fail. It will come out of the loop, guys. So it's same thing, it will repetition, guys, until we are not able to get the complete sorted array, guys. So guys, that is again complete what? Our dead end with our execution. How internally it's going to happen, guys. So guys, same thing I have shown in our this place, guys. Internally this thing will happen. So guys, it will be, guys, for this for loop, guys, this loop will run 4 times. If it will run 1 time, guys, it will run 4 times. Why, guys? You can see here, because we are going to check 14 compared with 4 times. Yes or no? First iteration, guys. Second iteration, 10 is going to compare 3 times, guys. Then 20 is compared to 2 times. 30 is compared to 1 times, guys. So guys, this is the our execution flow, guys. How sorting is happening internally, guys, with our this swapping logic, guys. So guys, that's it from this video, guys. So guys, if you like the video, guys, please like, share, subscribe, guys. So guys, I will bring such type of important coding question in front of you, which will helpful for your cracking the interview or knowledge check as well, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Meet in very soon in next video, guys.